Welcome back guys, Crypto4Life channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for Near protocol. Near USDT trading pair with Macasa Mercure set. Let's dive in. First of all, you have to understand, if I post the video and if I mark some levels, some zones for some specific coin, for the bull run or for the local swing trades, the levels what I mentioned in video for me personally didn't change even after the months or the years until we not reach this target. So the people start asking me in the comments, can you make the updates for the Near protocol? Yes, I will do the updates today, but basically the levels absolutely still the same. First of all, congrats everybody who didn't skip these videos and who watched all videos in the Bull Run Plan playlist. So the main video about Near protocol I'm posted in May 12, 2023. And I mentioned this one. So one more chart, what I don't like now. It's kind of strange how some alts formed lower low of 2020, COVID dump, and some still can drop 80% down. Watch main zone for Near. From that video, we drop it not 80%, but we drop it 43% from that video. But that time, it looks like it's unreal. So we can drop one more time, almost 50% down. But we did it. So I recommend you go and watch absolutely the same video and mark why we can drop, exactly what levels and what zone we can drop and what the reason for this one. You can go and check this video what I posted almost a year ago and find out all levels playing out almost till penny, and you can find out the reaction of these levels on Near protocol. Here's a reaction, rejection, here's a support, here's support. Let's take a look on some metrics before we start analyze the chart. Circulation supply at this current moment, around 92% coins unlocked. So everything looks good, right? Market cap at this current moment is 5.8 billion. The highest market cap for Near was 12.3 billion. And the price at that time was around $20. So take a look, easy to count, we don't need even the calculator. Around 1 billion in circulation supply. So this is a 12 billion at $20, but now to hit the same level like at $20 or 21.65, we have to reach like 22 billion market cap. So that's the point, you have to understand the power of unlocks. So now we got more coins in circulation supply. So at the same all-time high, let's say, yes, all-time high, and it's more than real to see the all-time high for Near, we will see the almost twice bigger market cap because the coin become more heavy. You know, the more coins in circulation supply. We need more money to push the price with this circulation supply to this price. Because we need to see the market cap around 24 billion. So it's kind of big difference, you know, between the millions and the billions, right? So I think yes, I think the Near will hit new all-time high this cycle, you know, and I would like to show you the more positive scenario, more negative scenario for Near. Why did last time I mentioned we can drop again? Because here it was a listing in October 2020, pump, this is a high. The highest point was $7.58. We remember all this hype around the Near protocol. Then we drop it, find a main support. This one in May 2021. Then we consolidate and move from level to level 2 here, over than 2.61 level by fee. If we take a look on a line chart, you can find out. Here's a pure retest of this one. Here's a with a weak candle, we pump it higher. Here's a rejection, and we drop it down exactly to 27 level. Take a look. We tested till penny 27 block, but didn't drop inside this block. So usually this block, it's like accumulation zone. How to work with this block, how to build this FEEP, custom FEEP, I already made a free educational video. So I recommend you go and check and not skip the post because all information totally for free. So here we test it, bounce it, and I mentioned we didn't drop under this block. And this is what I don't like that time. And yes, we crashed it like 43%. Yes, we drop it down inside. Here was October 2023 and we stop pump. Yes, Near protocol performed pretty good. From October 2023, Near made 827%. So don't need to ask why we drop it down now. Because the people fix a profit. It's more than okay to fix a profit after 827%. Guys, it's more than okay. So at 100% profit, you could withdraw initial deposit, just leave free coins and forget about this coin, just zero stress, you know. So always mark your entry, mark your exit. So here, it was 27 block. We bounce it to 38 level by FIB, drop it down, almost test zero level, but this is a 2 monthly gaps. Where do we leave it? Here. It's not necessary, so we will go and drop it down, retest and close all these gaps now. No, we can come back and close them later, after the years, after the, I don't know, maybe next bear market. So take a look. We will leave here the gap, this one. It was a gap in August 2021. And we come back and close this gap, like even the full fill, this one, in October 2022, after the year. So the same story can be even now. So we leave tiny gap on a monthly time frame. There is this gap. We closed one. So yes, if we will see the altcoin season, we can see the consolidation. So like impulse, consolidation, continuation. Most negative scenario, if it was like this is a bottom, bounce, and retest zero level again. Zero level for near it's $2.20. Honestly, I don't think so. We will drop to $2.20 this year. Maybe next one. So now we find a support at 38 level by FIB, $4.25 and $4.89 at 0.5 level by FIB. So it means for the whales, this price is more than comfortable, you know, to buy back. And I would like to show you with my customer care what's going on now. So the next step for near, crazy dump. It's a retest of zero level, $2.20. I don't think so. We will see this retest, but of course, absolutely everything possible, you know, in crypto. This block still relevant. This is a main accumulation zone. This zone where we now, it's okay also to accumulate near, you know, but with a higher risk. So absolutely up to you. You can accumulate even now. If you accumulate, for example, near for long run and you believe in this project, you can accumulate even now. Then we drop it down. You build your average entry with DCA strategy. So everything okay, right? Let me hide this FIB, main one. Let me show you the local one. So this is a local one. We got only one, this one, bullish monthly gap. And we pump it and close over than 50%. So yes, full fill of this one is going to be psychological price like $10. So if it's an impulse consolidation, impulse continuation will be higher than the new all-time high. And let's come back to main FIB. Let's go to weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame here, this is almost full fill. Next step is here on the weekly time frame. So this one. So most negative scenario is this block, and most conservative price targets for near, if we will not hit new all-time high, it's going to be the test of this full fill like 1473. But basically, I still believe we can hit new all-time high like 3.61, 4.23. So it's $21.65, $24.97. So at this point, we will see around 25 billion market cap for near protocol. So personally for me, of course, you can believe in 50 billion market cap, in 100 billion market cap, whatever you want, you know. I just show my levels, what possible to see realistically, you know, at this point. So here all-time high was 12.3 billion market cap. At this point, 21.65, we will see around 22 billion market cap. So guys, just be realistic with your expectations and take a look. Just if we compare the charts. So previous cycle here, near, made 3,300% gains. Got it. If we use the FIB from this October low, this one to new all-time high, we will see around like 2,000% gains. And to $25, and I'm more than sure everybody gonna wait this round number $25, and maybe somebody even not will fix the profit. So at this point, it will be like 25 billion market cap, even bigger it will be 2,280% gains. It will be less gains than it was in previous cycle, but we will hit the new all-time high. So guys, build a realistic price target when to in, when to out, you know. So if you don't believe in near, I don't think so. This is the end of bull run for this token. More than sure, we will hit once again at least 1627. Close this full fill. Now let's take a look with my custom indicator set once again. So here, this is accumulation, this is accumulation, this is accumulation. So we build a pure divergency on a weekly time frame. Here, it's June 2022, a lowest point $2.87, then $1.23, then here $1.14. We build a pure divergency, and here is on a weekly time frame. Imagine here was the accumulation. So after that accumulation, we pump over than 800%. Now we're in distribution. So market needs to a little bit come down lower, you know, to accumulation or at least to middle range of this one. No signal for accumulation now after 800%. That's why just you can accumulate, but it's higher risk. Monthly time frame here. It was the biggest accumulation. So if you use my custom indicator set, you could track everything by yourself. So September 2023, October 2023 was the biggest accumulation here. Now, this is not a crazy accumulation. But of course, it's not a crazy even the distribution. That's why we have a chance to push price to new all-time high, and we can when we have a chance to push the price to new all-time high based on direction. So we're just at the bottom. Yeah, so for near, personal for me, I think everything more than okay. Bitcoin dominance still over than 55%. So the altcoin season for any altcoin will be when the Bitcoin dominance will be around 40 or 35%. Market smooth? Yes, this is apheria, this is apheria, this is apheria, but not like this was size. So we need to see something like similar to this one. And all this period there was a depression zone, so you can accumulate step by step. This is what about a market mood. And last three indicators, money power. You can find out on the weekly time frame. Here, money inflow, money inflow, money inflow, build the divergency. Here's the money outflow. Step by step, the wealth out of this coin. So they needed time. Previous cycle, this is how it looks like. 1, 2, 3. So they out of this coin. And then the last point was crazy RSI divergency. This one in January 2022. Exactly at the top. And then we drop it down. So now no signal, no divergences, no bearish divergences, no bullish divergences, no money inflow. So that's why, personally for me, it's kind of more risk now invest in Near protocol. Trade on. Here how it playing out on a history was a sell. Here was a last 3, 1, 2, 3 accumulation, pump, sell, 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 step by step. So from last signal to sell, we drop it down 42%. So guys, always try to accumulate in right condition, in right moment, you know. And the last one is take profit. Here we trade way over exit line. So retest of the exit line. So this we traded under familiar price. So it's I'll be more confident, you know, at this point for accumulation because it's 27 block. We got a trade on signal. We got a money inflow. We trade under real value. So underrated coin. Then we pump it. Crazy pump. 800%. Now the exit line at this current moment, it's $3.88. So if we'll see retest, yes, it can be the retest of this block. Take profit, it's 0.23 low by FIP, $3.47. Buy line on the weekly time frame, it's $1.73. And for my value, it's once again 18 low by FIP, $1.23. I don't think so. We'll drop so low. If we take a look on the daily chart, you can find out here was a perfect short, right? Take profit. We trade around, we can see there a test of the buy line. It's $3.36. If we'll see some flash crash, you know, I hope not. I hope not. So I think this is a top, this is a drop, this is a consolidation. Now we can trade in consolidation. If we'll see one more drop, it's going to be the sweep of this low, this liquidity low. Let's mark it like a target, and the test of the buy line. So If you wait the better entry, you know, and if you don't want to risk, you know, maybe it will not drop so low, but this is a target. If the market maker will give you the chance to buy so low, you can accumulate easily at a sweep of this liquidity pool, test of 20th rail by FIB, and the test of the buy line on a daily. So guys, all targets are relevant. I highly recommend you go and not skip any single post on Telegram channel, because absolutely everything totally for free. If you want to double check the other coins, I highly recommend you go and check this playlist, because in this playlist I add step by step all the videos, all bull run plans. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. If you would like to trade with my custom set, just write me DM. Link in description below. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.